Kentucky, Breckenridge, Bullitt, Hardin, Henry, Jefferson, Meade, Nelson, Oldham, Shelby, and Spencer. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches. Where? Far southern Indiana and much of central Kentucky. When? From 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday to 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 7 a.m. Central Standard Time Thursday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday morning commute. Additional details: light rain during the day Wednesday will transition to snow Wednesday evening and continue through the night, tapering off by sunrise Thursday. Temperatures will drop to around 20 degrees by Thursday morning, resulting in snowy and possibly icy roads. Slow down and use caution while traveling. In Indiana, for Indiana road conditions, please visit https://pws.trafficwise.org/PWS. In Kentucky, for Kentucky road conditions, please visit http://golki.kentucky.gov.